Hello friends, today's topic Modi predicts great appreciation after elections. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. The purpose of the video is financial education of society. Just a few days back in an interview, Union Home Minister Amit Shah was asked about the stock market fall and what was his opinion. He said that even if the markets have been volatile in the last few weeks due to the uncertainty of the election results, he advised people to invest before 4th June, vote counting day, as he expected markets to shoot up. He said that usually when there is a stable government with a clear majority, stock market rise. He expected the NDA to win more than 400 seats in the election. In an interview yesterday night, PM Narendra Modi has said the stock markets would touch record highs once the election results are out. He said once the election results are out, throughout the week, those who punch trades, brokers, will get tired. Apart from the Prime Minister, few other ministers, including the Finance Minister, have assured investors of the stability of the Indian stock markets. PM Modi said that the government has implemented maximum economic reforms and pro-entrepreneurship policies to strengthen the economy in their tenure. He stated that Sensex was around 25,000 in May 2014 when the NDA's first term started. Now the Sensex has reached 75,000 points after 10 years. He said the more the common people invest in stock markets, the better it is for the economy. He also believes that the risk appetite of every citizen should rise over time. He said the shares of public sector undertakings were also rallying these days. Apart from the Prime Minister, a few other ministers, including the Finance Minister, assured the investors of the stability of the Indian stock market. However, analysts believe that markets will not move much unless the new government announces some favorable initiatives for the economy or stock markets. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar also stated that the market's turbulence caused by the election jitters was transitory and that markets would bounce back after the results. He said that after every round of voting finishes, markets will also become less volatile. It is not common for ministers to comment on stock markets. However, in the past 10 days, several ministers expressed their opinion about how stock markets will move after elections. The BJP is very confident of retaining power with a big majority. We will need to see the election results translate into the same. Our opinion is that the Indian stock market rally after the election results are announced, it is good. If it does not rally much even after election results, we don't need to worry. In the long term, good stocks and the overall stock markets will do well. We just need to invest well and wait patiently for our money to grow. The initiatives taken by the new government will impact the economic growth of the country as well as the stock markets. We need to see what announcements are made in the budget which the government will present in the month of June or July 2024. The major advantage for our country is our young and growing population. This would naturally help in the growth of our economy and indirectly in the stock markets. The government just needs to take steps to ensure that they don't put any hurdles for the overall growth. As long as the government takes care of that, there will be nothing which can stop our country to be fully developed in the next 20 to 25 years. In fact, all citizens of India will be more prosperous in the coming years. If our overall quality of life does not improve over the years, it will be our fault itself since the country's economic development will take everybody forward with it. So we all need to be grateful for living in India in such a phase of its development. We are in a position to take maximum benefit. End of the video, here is a question for your general knowledge. In which year was the Reserve Bank of India starts its operation? There are four choices: 1947, 1961, 1935, 1942. In case you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.